does appear there was the Battle Creek, what we call ASA station. That's a weather station at Kellogg Field, it appears. That weather station had a 76-mile-per-hour wind gust before it went offline. And that's pretty much the location of where that observed tornado went through parts of Calhoun County. So that was gusting up to 76 miles per hour. That's just to the south of Battle Creek, where the weather station is located here in Battle Creek. This is still a confirmed tornado. There is also still a radar indicated tornado warning here in Eaton County, specifically here in the Bellevue area. That appears to be where we have also a little bit of rotation ongoing. I do want to swing it back up to the north a little bit and not forget the rest of our warnings. We still have a severe thunderstorm warning ongoing for Ionia County until midnight. So